One of the biggest leadership questions is, how do I bring out the best in others? How do I bring out the best in those for whom I have the responsibility for leading? It's a good question to be asking. I want to share briefly with you a theory that is known as invitational leadership. It's a great theory to house a question as important as that. Invitational theory suggests that there are three assumptions that leaders need to make, and therefore that is your responsibility. Assumption number one, there is a best in everybody. Assumption number two, everybody has a valid contribution to make. And assumption number three, everybody would rather make that contribution than not. Therefore, your role as a leader is to create an environment that invites the best out in others. Sounds simple, doesn't it? It's actually not that simple, but it's a great framework to think about bringing out the best in others. My name is Keith Coates. I'm a founding partner of Tomorrow Today, and bringing out the best in others is work that I love to do. I work with leaders to make sure that they optimize their leadership potential in order to allow others to perform at their optimum.